A good D&D character can mean different things to different people. Sometimes you want a character named Smash and they love to fight, but then Smash goes home at the end of a long day of adventuring and Smash no wants Smash no more. Smash wants something more. So let's talk about how you can establish deeper goals and motivations for your character and what they mean for your game. So first of all, let's define what we mean by goals and motivations. Now, goals are the specific achievements or outcomes that your character strives for. This is the thing that gets them up every day and what they work for in their adventures. Now, these can be short-term, like winning the next battle, or long-term, like becoming the greatest warrior in the land. But let's break those goals down further. See, short-term goals are the immediate objectives that give your character a sense of purpose in the moment. For example, Smash might want to find a rare weapon or defeat the fighter that embarrassed him in the ring last month. These goals are driven by immediate actions and can lead to quick, satisfying achievements. Now, on the flip side, long-term goals might include Smash's desire to become the greatest warrior ever, or to finally find some peace and start a family. Long-term goals are usually motivated by emotion, but we'll come back to that in a sec. Then there's motivation. These are the underlying reasons why your character pursues these goals. They are the emotional and psychological drivers that shape your character's actions and their decisions. Now, the key here is that motivations can be internal or external. Internal motivations are driven by your character's personal values, their emotional needs, and their psychological drives. For example, Smash might be motivated by a need for personal honor because their father never believed in them, or something like that. Or maybe they have come to the realization that smashing things just doesn't quite do it for them anymore, and they want something more from life, and so now Smash is on a quest to find themselves. That might seem vague, but that goal of wanting to find themselves and some meaning in life that is motivated by their sudden internal sadness or melancholy when winning in the ring just stops doing it for them is what makes the character feel three-dimensional. Then there's external motivations. External motivations, on the other hand, are influenced by outside forces such as social expectations, quests, because this is a fantasy world after all, or even environmental factors. For example, leaning into Smash again, Smash might be driven by the need to protect their village, and this motivates them to become the best warrior in the village. And in this scenario, you can have two motivating factors. Externally, the village is in danger and Smash must become stronger. Internally, however, they don't want to let down their community or their loved ones. You see how thinking like this takes Smash from a two-dimensional character into a character that we now kind of feel sad for? Why is that? Because we all know that feeling. We all know what it's like to want something more, something else, and that emotional aspect is what makes the characters real to us. So you can have a character that just wants to smash things, but by taking it one step further, you can really dive into the why. Now, how you actually go about creating deeper motivations involves weaving your character's backstory into their current goals. Think about what significant events or relationships from their past might influence their present actions. For Smash, it's their father's lack of love and support, and probably how they came to be in the village they're in. Their experience growing up in the village constantly under threat. These elements from the past shape who Smash is today and give their actions a deeper meaning. So ask yourself, what are the key moments in your character's life that have defined who they are? For Smash, perhaps it's a pivotal battle where they first tasted victory, or a tragic event where they couldn't protect someone dear to them. Who are the important people in your character's life? These could be family members, mentors, friends. Smash's father, who never believed in him, is a crucial figure that drives their need for personal honor. So what does your character want right now, and what do they want long term? Now you have a past, a present, and a future, and you can start to really dive into the role-playing and why you choose to make them who they are, because yes, even bit characters like Smash can be three-dimensional. So there you have it. That's how I go about creating character depth and motivation and emotion for my characters, and even my NPCs. So I hope this helped you. Please leave a comment down below if you think I forgot something. What do you do to help flesh out your characters? And now, it's shout-out time. Cult of Crows says, Tobias at 520. In my first homebrew campaign, I had everyone arrive at the same dock town tavern and let them interact naturally, but in the middle of the night, the city alarm sounded. Pirates! Everyone got involved real quick. Yeah, I mean, nothing like a good pirate attack to get everybody working together. The Fear Shredder 4444 says, Cute kitten. In one of my last D&D sessions, I had a Displacer Beast pet, and I think I would rather sacrifice my character than let any harm come to him. I love your visual representation of what a kitten would look like. I hope you continue to keep him along for the ride in your videos. Well, Fear Shredder, you get bonus points simply for having had a Displacer Beast as a pet. And luckily, time works weird here in this realm that I'm in, and Tobias is going to be a kitten for the rest of his life and is stuck here, so he'll be around. And Gabriel Knapp, XN3XE, says, Kiat. Kiat. That's either a typo or you wanted me to say that weird. Either way, there you go. Kiat. Kiat. Now, if you were paying attention in today's video, leave a timestamp in the comments down below with where you saw Tobias in this video, and you might just get shouted out in the next video. Kiat. As always, thank you so much for watching. Forge on, my friends, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.